I'm working on two interrelated libraries, and I thought I'd show you an example of how to use one project as a dependency of another locally. So this is a pretty common story in Unison, since a Unison codebase has many different projects, which might have various degrees of relatedness. In this example, I'm working on a project called Advent of Code Client, which is a helper library for submitting results to the Advent of Code website. This client library is included as a dependency in a template project called Advent of Code, so they're very tightly linked. I'm at the point where I'd like to test if my updates to the client library will work inside the enclosing template project. I could push a feature branch to Unison Share and install it in my other project, but let's save ourselves the round-trip networking costs. The project and branch I'd like to test is the Advent of Code Client /updates HTTP. It already contains the changes I'd like to exercise. Now I'm going to switch to the project which depends on it. The command to install my client test branch as a dependency is the lib.install.local command. It accepts the name of the project and the branch. Now, if I look inside the lib namespace, I'll see my client test branch as a library. I can use the upgrade command in this project to apply the set of changes and do my local testing.